If you are using a Windows PC, your laptop, or even your desktop, you should consider something and you should not do these 4 things with your laptop. Let's talk. If you're using a Windows laptop or even a desktop, you should be careful what you are doing with your computer, because sometimes you may ruin your computer with just one click. Before starting the video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and ring the bell icon so you won't miss our next videos. First, don't use your PC in too hot or even too cold temperatures. Why is that? Because it may ruin your cooling system or even affect your battery lifespan. It can kill your battery and it can harm your cooling fans, and it's not a good thing for your PC. Be careful with the temperature when you're using your PC. Don't turn off your Windows update and update your Windows regularly. Maybe someone told you, I know, maybe someone told you to turn off your Windows update for your registry edit or something else. Don't do it. You should get Windows security updates to stay safe from online attacks and harmful virus softwares. They can hack your system when you are not updating your Windows because of some regular bugs that can find in Windows ecosystem, and I will always suggest everyone to update their Windows and their system. Don't do heavy tasks or gaming in your gaming laptop when it's on battery. You should connect your charging adapter to your laptop when you are using your laptop in heavy tasks like rendering in Premiere, rendering in Blender, or even in gaming, because your battery can handle a little amount of power. And if you're using your laptop in battery and playing games, it can affect your battery lifespan or even your cooling, because your laptop can't run at full wattage. And because of that, your fans are not spinning as fast as when they are connecting to a charger. Don't clean your laptop with some harmful liquids like alcohol or acetone or even cleaning sprays. Just use a napkin, a wet napkin, and some pressure on the body. Don't use anything else. Do you have any other suggestions? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Don't use your laptop in too hot or too cold temperatures. It may affect your cooling performance and battery lifespan. Don't turn off your Windows update and update your laptop regularly to stay